Power on-off memory and user speed memory settings. Firstly, turn on the controller. Next, press and hold the Set button to access the settings page. The screen will display P0.0. Press the Enter button. Adjust the value to 12. Press Enter to confirm and return to the P0.0 display page. Use the Up button to switch from P0.0 to P1.0. Press Enter to confirm. When set to 1, it will default to power on when powered up. When set to 0, it will default to power off when powered up. When set to 2, it will remember the last power state after a power outage. You can choose according to your needs. After making adjustments, press the Enter button. Press and hold the Set button to exit the parameter settings.